Welcome to the Hard Research channel. Today I'll show you how to link Google Assistant to the power button on the AGM H6. So first go ahead and open up settings, just scroll down from the top, scroll down again, locate the settings button and press it. Then scroll all the way down to the system section. Here click on gestures and then press and hold power button. Then toggle hold for assistant. Now let's see if it works. It does. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the Hard Research channel for videos, leave a like and a comment, and goodbye.